In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook pixel to your Beehiiv website. This handy tool will help you track visitor actions and gather essential data that can enhance your marketing strategies and improve user engagement. So, let's dive into the process. First, begin by opening your Beehiiv dashboard. This is your central hub where you manage all things related to your Beehiiv site. Think of it as your all-in-one control center. It can be accessed by logging into your Beehiiv account, so make sure you have your credentials ready to go. Once you're on the Beehiiv dashboard, the next step is to click on the Website tab. This option allows you to manage what everyone sees when they visit your site. It's a straightforward process, and navigating through the Beehiiv interface is designed to be intuitive, ensuring you don't get overwhelmed by too many options. Now we're going to head over to the Builder. By clicking on this, you'll be entering the creative arena where you can adjust design elements and structure. Here's where you start integrating important features like the Facebook pixel. It's essentially the backbone that helps you set up meaningful interactions with potential and existing users. Next, locate the Settings option. This step is crucial. The Settings menu is where you'll find more specific controls related to your website's functionality. You have the power to adjust various aspects, so getting familiar with this section will help in significantly streamlining your site's performance. Now we are getting closer to our goal. Click on Pixels. In this section, you will lay down the groundwork for tracking. A pixel is a piece of code embedded in your site to collect data useful for your marketing endeavors. It's like placing a helpful pair of eyes on your content